to our channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating fact that might surprise you. Did you know that the fuller your fridge is, the more energy efficient it becomes? Yes, you heard that right. Let's unpack why this is the case. First off, let's understand the mechanics behind refrigeration. Your fridge works by removing heat from inside and expelling it outside, thus keeping the internal temperature cool. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When your fridge is emptier, it has more air space to cool down. This means that every time you open the door, you are letting in warm air that replaces the cold air, causing your fridge to work harder to cool it down again. However, when your fridge is filled with the brim, there's less airspace available. The items inside act as insulators, helping to retain the cold temperature. So, when you open the door, there's less warm air to replace the cold air, resulting in less work for your fridge to maintain its temperature. But wait, there's more. Not only does a fuller fridge help with temperature regulation, but it also improves efficiency in another way. When your fridge is packed, there's less room for air to circulate, which means the cold air stays concentrated around the food items, keeping them cooler for longer periods. This reduces the need for your fridge to cycle on and off frequently, further conserving energy. Now, this doesn't mean you should cram your fridge to point of overflowing. Proper organization is key. Ensure there's still enough space for air to circulate, especially around the vents. Plus, a well-organized fridge makes it easier to find what you need and reduces the risk of food spoilage. So, there you have it. The fuller your fridge, the more energy efficient it becomes, thanks to better temperature regulation and reduced cycling. Not only does this benefit your wallet by lowering energy bills, but it's also a win for the environment by reducing your carbon footprint. Remember, a little extra effort in organizing your fridge can go a long way in saving energy and keeping your food fresh. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such video, and we'll see you all in our next video. And meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.